Hi, I am Engine Cadet Flores Vince Lester, BSMRE Bravo 3. In this video, I am going to discuss the requirements that need to be complied of a ships in MARPOL Annex 5. MARPOL Annex 5 is a set of regulations aimed at preventing pollution of a marine environment by garbage coming from ships, including the complete ban on disposal of plastics at sea. This applies to all ships. And now, I'm going to discuss the special areas established under Annex 5 are the Mediterranean Sea, Baltic Sea, Black Sea, Red Sea, Gulf area, the North Sea area, the wider of the Caribbean region, and the Antarctic Sea. Now, here are the categories of garbage on board ships. A is for plastics, and B are food waste. There are two categories of food waste. There are the food waste that are comminuted or ground, and the other one is the food waste not comminuted and not ground. C is for domestic waste. D is for cooking oil. E is for incinerator ashes. F, operational waste. The categories of operational waste are the cleaning agents or the additives in cargo hold washes that are non-harmful in the marine environment. And the other one is the cleaning agents or additives in decks and external surface wash water that also non-harmful in marine environment. G is for animal carcasses. H is for fishing gear. I, e-waste. J, cargo residues. There are two categories again in this category. The first one is cargo residues that not contained in wash water, and the other one is cargo residues contained in wash water. K is for cargo residues in harmful in marine environment. Now, I'm going to discuss the garbage disposal at sea outside the special areas. The category B, which are the food waste that are comminuted and ground, not less than 3 nautical miles away from the nearest land, and the ship must be en route. At the other categories that are not ground and not comminuted, the ship must be 12 nautical miles away from the nearest land, and also it is en route. While at F are the operational waste, both categories here are the discharge are permitted. While at G, which are the animal carcasses, the ship must be en route at the ship must be 100 nautical miles away from the nearest land, and the ship must be at the maximum water depth. At the category J, which are the cargo residues that are non-harmful in marine environment, the ship must be 12 nautical miles away from the nearest land, and also the ship must be en route. Here, next is the garbage disposal at sea, but inside the special areas. At the category B, which are the food waste that are ground, 12 nautical miles away from the nearest land, and also must be en route. Next is F. Discharge only permitted if the compliance with MARPOL Regulation 6.1.2, the discharge are permitted. While the discharge is while in J, the discharge are also permitted after the compliance of the MARPOL Regulation 6.1.2 as well. Lastly, the requirements of documentation on ships. All ships of 100 gross tonnage and above which are certified to carry 15 people or more, and also every fixed and floating platform shall carry a garbage management plan. The garbage management plan includes the processing and collecting and storing of garbage. The garbage management plan contains the procedure to minimize garbage, the garbage collection and processing procedure of the guide of disposing the garbage, and the equipment includes the incinerators, compactors, and the commuting. Next documentation that needs on board ships are the garbage record book. All ships with 400 gross storage and certified to carry 15 people or more, and every fixed and floating platform shall carry a garbage record book. This garbage record book can keep track of garbage. The garbage record book contains where, when, and the amount and what category is being disposed at sea. Same with being disposed at the reception facilities. Next is when the garbage is being incinerated, and lastly, when the garbage is being disposed of accidental and exceptional discharge of garbage. And that concludes my discussion in Annex 5. I hope you learned something from this video. As always, I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.